Hey there, it feels good to talk to someone who cares about sound as much as you do. Let me walk you through what it's like living with the Shockwafe Ultra. This is for the kind of person who's tired of lifeless dialogue and flat effects. You're the one who notices when a scene should hit harder, when sound should float above you, and you've outgrown compromised setups that almost get you there. Before you go on, take a moment right now to check the current price and stock. This setup moves fast when people realize what they're missing. You knew it was time to upgrade the moment you watched a movie and thought, why does this still feel small? Maybe your old soundbar tried its best, maybe it made do, but once you feel this level of immersion, you can't go back. The first time you hear a helicopter swirl overhead or a low-frequency rumble that actually shakes the room, it's like your entertainment suddenly got a pulse. After you leave weak gear behind, there's this emotional relief, the kind that comes when something finally makes sense. Movies stop sounding squashed. Music stops sounding thin, games feel like worlds instead of background noise. You catch yourself smiling because audio finally matches the visuals and the energy feels right. Picture this, you're deep into a late-night action film, and the bass from those dual 10-inch subs doesn't just hit your ears, it fills the space, anchors the scene, and makes every explosion feel measured but powerful. Then those rear surround effects don't just echo, they place you in the middle of it all. You don't just watch, you inhabit the moment. With Dolby Atmos and DTS, sound flows around you like it was meant to. You feel the performance, not just read the specs. Right now is a good time to peek at the latest price and availability because components like this don't sit quiet for long, and weird price swings happen when demand spikes. Maybe you're thinking, do I really need that many channels? Let me reshape that doubt. Once you feel height and surround, you'll miss it in everything else. It's not about numbers, it's about dimension, depth, and presence you didn't know you were missing. One surprise benefit is how crisp dialogue becomes. When low end isn't trying to cover everything, voices snap into clarity, and conversations finally feel natural instead of buried. Owning this makes you feel proud of your space. You walk into your room and it sounds like a proper setup. You don't hesitate when people ask about your gear, you enjoy it. Every time you think about something cheaper or simpler, you come back to how complete this feels. Feels dynamic and alive. Rooms fill with real impact. Movies feel expansive and thrilling. Music sounds rich and layered. You finally understand the soundtrack cons? Placement takes a bit of thought. It's serious gear, not tiny and simple. At some point, you stop looping through comparisons and choose what already resonates with you. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you regret postponing. Go check availability, make the move, and give your system the sound it's been asking for.